How to clear Roblox cache and cookies on iPhone or iPad. So first, all I have to do is just to locate the gear icon that will redirect you into your iPhone or iPad settings. It's just going to be here. Then next, at your left side, you should be able to see General. Just simply tap and choose on General. And then from General, scroll down once again and go into iPad storage. Now this is where you can actually access all the save files that you did on your Roblox application. To do so, just simply scroll down again and choose on the Roblox application. From here, you should be able to see two options, which is going to be offload app and delete app. Now, for you to be able to clear the cache and cookies or any types of data that you have on your Roblox application, you just want to have to choose on this option here. That's going to be offload app. Tap on that and it will allow to clear your Roblox cache and cookies. And that's it. That's how you clear Roblox cache and cookies on iPhone or iPad.